I saw on Facebook and everywhere, people are debating whether it's a bullet or a stone, whether we are running or coming, whether the two doctors are right or wrong. It's not important. When the integrity of the messenger is in question, even when you communicate a message, people don't believe you. South Africans do not even believe that our own deputy president was attacked. They say we're lying. No matter how many times you explain that, no, there's evidence, allow the police to explain, they say, let's say Balona, you guys are liars. It is not the issue of the deputy president's car being shot. It's the issue of the integrity of the messenger when it's in question. When the integrity of the messenger is in question, no matter what you say, no one will believe you. Today we're arguing whether we say the VAT issue will be implemented in phases, whether we'll re-engage or not. The ANC was the first to say that the VAT issue and all the structures is a problem. Give us time to go and engage all stakeholders and come back, we'll give you a solution that is the best interest of our people. But the ANC is not believed. The TA is claiming it now, that is them now are stopping the VAT because the integrity of the messenger is in question. Now, when the integrity of the messenger is in question, no one believes you even when you tell the truth.